Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about sewer line installation and repair services. We've served Charlotte since 1997, offering quality installation and repair of residential, commercial, and industrial sewer and drain lines. Sewer pipes deteriorate over time and are especially vulnerable to damage caused by landscape projects and tree roots. Root intrusions are extremely common and can go unnoticed for years until your sewer line backs up. Other common sewer pipe problems include grease buildups, obstructions from foreign objects that should never have gone down the drain, belly pipes, and collapsed or broken lines, especially in older sewer lines. We provide a video pipe inspection to determine the nature of the problem using a small sewer camera that provides a real-time image of what the problem is. We also use smoke testing equipment to identify leaks in the latest hydrojetting technology to break up stubborn clogs. In addition to sewer line leak detection and repair, we also install new sewer lines, repipe homes and businesses, and replace old pipes to solve pitch, strapping, or belly problems. We are experts at drainage and venting problem identification and resolution, and we specialize in the installation and repair of sewer lift stations, ejectors, alarms, and grinder sewer pumps. Let us resolve your sewer line problems today. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371. Or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.